sun takes flight, we walk as children of the light. The earth beneath our sacred ground, a place where